first meeting with your designers will help you build the right foundation for your project. But before you do that, you need to prepare yourself properly. So today we'll go over the right question you should ask yourself before that important initial meeting. Hello, my name is François. Welcome to our E-SPACE. A good question you should ask yourself is, what is your dream kitchen? So gather pictures of things you would love to have and things also that you don't like. So that's going to help you with the meeting with your designer. The main thing you should do also is reflect on your own kitchen right now. What works in the kitchen, what you like, and also mainly what doesn't work and what you want to change. Next question would be, what are your needs? For the functionality of the kitchen, is your kitchen more than a kitchen? How many people use it? Is it now an office? Is it the space for your kids to do their homework? So those are good elements to bring to that meeting with your designer. Also, what's the storage space that you need right now in your kitchen? A good way to do it is to start cleaning your existing kitchen right now and to make sure that what you use will be transferred to the new kitchen. And what is not needed, then you can throw away. Also, you should ask yourself, do you want to manage that project or you want to have a turnkey solution? Some designers offer a turnkey solution. Otherwise, you can also opt for a general contractor that will manage all the trades for you. How big are you ready to go for that project? Do you want to change a window, relocate the plumbing, even expand the island, or even add an extra room? And finally, how much are you ready to spend? Visit our E-SPACE to learn how to determine your budget. Hopefully this tip was useful. My name is François. Thank you for joining us.